Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We'll be playing a 616 game called The Clown's Fun. I'm excited. I'm really starting to like 616 games and come along for the ride and we both get scared together. Okay, but first thing we're gonna do is change. Yes, I need to be able to see. All right. So I take it we're working at a store. Okay. Okay, we need to take out the trash most definitely. Okay, hi Steve. My name is Steve. Got it. I won't be able to be at the store today. I have a lot to do. Don't forget to do your homework and please do it in the order I'll show you. That's not homework though. Collect the shopping carts from the parking lot, sweep the floor, take out the garbage, and return goods to the location. So we must do carts. Okay. Can we... Let's look around. It's locked. Now, how are we supposed to do anything? Okay, can't get out that door either. So let's just get acquainted with where we've been working. Let's do that. We have dog food. We have cereals, cat food. Is somebody coming? I hear a car. Okay, we have a customer. Did it tell us the name of the store? No, it did not. So we know my name is Steve. We're looking at the... Okay, can we change the channels? Oh, we can. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Is he coming in or not? Okay, I'm gonna put them in place. So I have to go in order. Let's wait for this slow customer. It's taking him a good minute. It's taking him a good minute. Good evening, sir. Welcome to whatever this store is called. Do you need any help? I guess not. He got what he needed. Good night, bro. This beer is alcohol free, right? Why would you be buying alcohol free beer? I'm driving and I don't want to cause an accident. You might want to grab a Coke, sir. A Coke, a Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper. Good evening, sir. This beer is non-alcoholic. Would you like anything else? Thank you. That's all. How much do I owe you? Beer costs $1. Okay, I see why I got the beer. It costs $1. Coke is like what? Over $2? Here, my friend. Keep the change. Can I ask you a question? Thank you very much. Of course you can ask. Aren't you afraid to work here alone? Even with that crazy killer on the loose? Now, didn't nobody tell me that. I confess, I'm afraid, but I need work. Have a good job. Good night. All right. See you later. Good night, sir. And next time you might want to grab coffee. That would be something that you want to grab. Coffee. Okay, I need to start doing my chores. Of course, we do. Now it's unlocked. Okay. Don't make no sense, but all right. It doesn't make any sense, but okay. Boy, you need to get your transmission worked on. But this should not take that long for you to pull off. The way your car sound, it sounds like you're driving full speed. Baby, your takeoff is slow. Now, you know, if this was real life, okay, him being a male, I see it. But me being a female, I would never work alone out in the middle of nowhere. This is called mini market. Okay, I get another name of it. Mini market. I would not be out here. It's like in the middle of nowhere and you are alone. It's like weird. Oh, girl. Oh. Uh-uh. Close that door. Who was that? Go to the cameras. Go to the cameras. Go to the cameras. That was parked right there on the back. Now, who was that? And they just pulled out. They've been sitting back there this whole time. They've been sitting back there the whole time. Guess I gotta sweep the floor. So just walk and it sweeps by itself. I like this broom. Can I get one for my house? You just walk, it does the work by itself. Okay. It's done? I'm done? Okay. I think take the trash out was next. Okay. Then throw the trash away. I know that. Okay, take out the garbage. I mean, what's up? Okay, open the door first. I can do that. Okay, we can't throw it away yet. Here comes that annoying beggar again. Shoot, now I don't need these problems tonight. I'm at work. I cannot help you, sir. I cannot help you. And you got poop around your lips. You was on the poop killer. Beggar Will. Hey, Steve. How's my friend doing? I'm doing good until you showed up. I'm so hungry, man. Give me something to eat there. I can't help you, sir. You again, Will? I already told you. I can't give you anything. I'm working. What's up, man? Give me something there. I'm so hungry. I eat even a stone. You mean I can eat even a stone? I can't, man. You want me to be fired? I mean, I don't want to be fired. Please go away. All is well. Nobody helps anybody else. Take care, Steve. He doesn't forgive. Who doesn't? Who is he? And get your little dirty behind out of my store. I would help you, but it seems like you do this every night. Nope, you can't have no coffee. Come on, let me escort you out. Come on, sir. Let's go. Yeah, this way. This is the door. This is the way out. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Come on. I got stuff to do. Make your way out. If I leave you up here by yourself, you're going to steal something. I know it. Now, you know, I like helping people. I do. But every day, you can't come every day. Especially to my job. You can't come every day to my job. Now, you can meet me at my house. But, you know, if I'm out here working because I need this job. You coming by every day begging for food. I can't just give you. This is not my food to give. You know what? Saturday, we should do a food drive for Will. Yeah, we need to do a food drive for him. I think I'm going to get that set up. So he won't keep bothering me every day. We're gonna help him out, y'all. We're gonna help him out. Alright, I'm gonna leave this door open. Alright. Take the goods back to the location. I heard somebody shut the door. I don't know what that was. Let's go to the front to check it out. Okay. Who the freak is standing outside? I don't know, and I'm scared. I'm scared. A duck. Let me see. Let's peep. Cause I'm really scared. I didn't see anybody. Y'all, who is that? Who is that? Nope. Nope. The door's locked. Can I see him on the camera? And the fact that I cannot see him on the camera is crazy. I wonder, can I go outside to see him and sneak around? Okay, I can't go outside. Why? Y'all trying to protect me? He's still standing out there? Can I put the goods back? Y'all, he's still out there. He's still out there. Okay, sir, I need you to leave, please. Can I call the cops? Can I call the cops? I can't use the company phone. Well, is there a phone outside? Is there a phone anywhere? Do I have one in my locker? Because we have a maniac standing outside. I don't like that. I don't have any protection. I mean, he's still just standing there. And I don't see him on the camera. Just stay right where you are. Just don't move. We're going to the door. Sir, I need you to go away. Okay, he's just gonna stand there. Are you gonna pick him up? Did you pick him up? So he was just waiting on the ride. Okay, cool. Cool. Nothing suspicious there. He was just waiting on the ride. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Hey, I would like a pack of cigarettes, please. Sure. Good night, sir. Did you see that crazy guy standing out front was wearing a clown mask? Yeah, because you picked him up. I'm sorry, but I didn't see anyone. Why are you lying? Why? You just rode past him. He got in your van. That's your friend. I think you're working too young. You mean working too hard? It must just be my imagination. No, it ain't my imagination because I saw him. Y'all saw him. We all saw him, right? It scares me to work here at night and alone. Could you please give me a pack of cigarettes? I'm a little late. See how you being a little zesty. Oh yeah, sure. I'll take it. You being a little zesty because I caught you in a lie. You know that's your doggone friend. You know that's your friend. Long as you take your friend on, it's fine with me. Just keep your friend with you. If I catch him outside again, I'm calling the cops. Just know. Wait a minute. That car again. I'm going to finish returning these products and calling the police just in case. Yes, just in case there's blood on the side of the van. And did he pick him up? Or are they working together? They working together, y'all. You saw he stopped for. They working together. They working together. They working together. They working together. What is this? Cream? Okay, cream. Cream. Noodles. Ice cream. Alright. Let's hurry up, put these products back. Oh, the beer. So, because we got to call the police. Thank you. Okay? Police station. How can I help you? Good night, policeman. My name is Steven, and I think someone is watching me at work. Give me your address. I'll send the police over there. Hurry up. I'm at the mini market, JK Avenue, 179. Don't worry, the policeman will come to you soon. All right, y'all. All right. This is like my fourth time playing this game to get the police to act right. The phone act right. So now, we doing something now. Can I go outside? I still can't go outside. Alright, close the door. The police is coming, so we just need to sit tight. We need to sit tight. For some reason, I am terrified now. Oh, gosh. I hear somebody. Do y'all see that? I heard two people laughing. Two people. Where did he go? Y'all with a popo. Where's the popo? Girl, close that door. There's the popo. Oh, thank you. Thank you, popo. Can I go out the door? Policeman, he was just outside. He was just outside. If you go around back, you will catch him. You will see him. He just was outside. Come on in and take my statement, man. What you doing? What do you see? Do you see something? What is, y'all, what is he looking at? What is he? Can I come outside? Can I come out the back door then? Okay, let's try this out. Oh, shoot, no! What happened? What happened? What happened? Wait a minute. What was that? Oh, no. Whoa, whoa. Oh, no. No, y'all. No, 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 no. I gotta go back in. Close the door. What do I do? What do I do? What do I hide? Oh, the van back, y'all. The van is back. The van back. Hide. The van back. The van is back. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? The van is back. I don't know what to do, y'all. I'm supposed to go outside. What am I supposed to do? I can't even go out the front door. Why we can't go out the front door? That's annoying to me. Do I go back outside? I think I gotta go back outside, y'all. Okay. I don't see the van. The van must be on the other side. What am I supposed to do? Do I go to the van? Why is it open? Oh, no! Stupid, you don't go to the van. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? What do I do? 100 points? What do I do? Y'all, where am I? Who is that? What do I do? I want him to live. Hello, Steve, and welcome to our marathon of fun and games. You will go through some games, and your survival is up to you. Here's the rules. You have a total of 100 points, and you'll have to use it very wisely if you want to make it out. If you want to make it to the end, sorry. If the points reach a 0, an explosive device in your neck will explode. So let's go to the first game. In front of you is your best friend Alfred. He has a shotgun pointed at his head. There are 2 levers. One gives life and the other takes life. If you kill him, you only lose 10 points and the door opens to continue. If you leave him alive, you will lose 30 points and have a companion to continue the game. Come on, Steve. Take your pick. I'm gonna let him live. I'm gonna let him live. We're gonna let him live. I let him live. Okay. I lose 30 points. Thanks for saving me, friend. Let's get out of this together. Okay. Okay, friend. Help me now, because I did save your life. Now, we got to take one for the home team. I think. Well, now a second one. Okay. Gonna look at. We got a door that says hell. We got a door that says heaven. We also got a bloody mess right here. Okay. Hi, Steve. Good to see you again. Now let's go to the second stage of our game. Now let's see how much you want to live. How much meat is available to donate to go to heaven. Next to the table is a scale and it needs to be fed meat. You can rip your arm off and go the way to heaven, but this will cost you 30 points. But if your friend Alfred still has his wits about him, you can rip off his arm and go down to the road to hell. The bright side is that this will only cost 10 points. Take your pick, Steve. I cut his arm off the last time. Cut my arm off. What did I do? I didn't even do anything. It's all the way wrong. Hurry up and get it over. Let's do it. Come on. Is he coming with me? You better come on. What's next? I'm by myself? Alfred! You just gonna let him go like that? Glad to see you in the final, Steve. Now, on to the last test. This is an easy game. Let's see if you're lucky. Just remember... Oh, this is an easy game. Let's see if you're lucky. Just enter a password to open the door and go. The password has 3 digits. 185. You just need to get the order right. Of course, for every wrong attempt, you lose 10 points. 185. I was forgetting. The wall will also close and crush you in less than 2 minutes. Good luck. Where? $851. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, I got out of there. Oh, thank you. Woo. Oh, well, thank y'all for watching. That game was crazy. It was real crazy. Well, it was fun. So, I had a couple of glitches, but it was fun. So, I want to say thank you all for watching. If you all are still here, which I hope you are, please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.